In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can find a percentage of an amount. Looking at our first question, calculate 39% of 50. There are two main techniques that you could use. A third that I'll touch on briefly for easier style questions. The first technique is without a calculator. 39% means 39 out of 100. So, if I find out what 1% is, I can use this to find 39%. 100% of 50 is 50. So dividing this by 100 would give me 0.5. I need to find 39%. So some other useful percentages that I could work out would be 10%. Well, 10% is 10 lots of 1%, so that would be 5. And 5% would therefore be half of this number, so 2.5. So as you can see, I have divided 100% by 100 to give me 1%. I've times 1% by 10, and I've halved 10% to give me 5%. Now, in order to make 39%, I need 3 lots of 10%, a 5%, and then 4 lots of 1%. There are other ways of doing this. I could have 4 lots of 10% and take away a 1%, and that would still give me my 39. Use any combination of 1s, 10s, and 5s in order to make 39. 3 10% are 15, a 5% is 2.5, and 4 1% is 2. So adding all of these together would give me 39%, which in this case is 19.5. Method 2 involves using a calculator. Finding 39% of 50 would be the same as 0.39, 39% written as a decimal, multiplied by 50. Grabbing a calculator, typing this in, and clicking the equals button also gives me 19.5. Now it's worth mentioning that if you are good at multiplying two decimals without a calculator, then this technique also serves really well. Now for easier questions like this, it's worth noting that there is a third technique. Finding 39% of 50 is exactly the same as finding 50% of 39. Finding 50% is the same as dividing by 2, so 39 divided by 2 is 19.5. I've come up with exactly the same answer through 3 different techniques. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side using both the non-calculator and calculator technique. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So using the non-calculator technique first, I know that 100% of 80 is 80, 1% is 0.8, 10% is 8, and 5% is 4. In order to make 73%, I want 7 10% and 3 1%. 7 10%, so that's 7 times 8 is 56. 3 times 1% is 3 lots of 0.8, so 2.4. Now adding these together would give me my 73%, which is 58.4. Using the calculator technique, 73% as a decimal is 0.73, and times that by 80 using a calculator would give also 58.4.